This is video for week 3, where we're going to concentrate on tens and units still, but beforehand get them to do the abacus practice, like add 1, take away 1, add 2, take away 2, so on, up to add 9, take away 9. But in particular, you want them to be able to do add 6, pinching 5 and 1, add 7, add 8, add 9. And the same can be done for the number in the tens, at 60, at 70, at 80, at 90. Now, the idea of being able to say that 6 is made of 5 and 1 and 7 is 5 and 2 will become clear later. We'll need to use this later for single-digit addition with regrouping. Now, apart from that practice, what you want to do is, in the previous week, you've shown them that if you keep on adding 1s, when you get to 9, you're running out of bits. And every column has only got 9 bits. Yes? So every time you got 9, you want to add 1 more. They need to become 1 and 9 will become a group of 10. And then ask them, if you got 10, you add 9, what is the number? Then they will say 19. And what if you want to add 1 more? Some children will just go and add 1 there, which is not correct. That is a 10. And because there aren't any more beats here, they tend to go next door. Okay, you can then re-emphasize that if you want to add 1 more, there is enough. You need to bring 1 and 9 becomes a group of 10. And ask them to add 9 again. Ask them what number it is. 29. Add 1 more. Take away 9, add 10. And then keep on doing that. Okay? After you get 49. Add 1 more. Oh, this will be 2 steps. Take away 9, add 10. Becomes 50. And so on. Keep on doing that. Okay? And then do the same for numbers on the 10. Again, 90. If you want to add 10 more, there isn't any more bits. So you say, in the previous week, you've learned that 90 at 10 more becomes a group of 100. Always go next door. Okay? And then you say 100 at 90. Can you add 90? And what number is that? 190. Sometimes you might want to ask them to write down. How do you write 190? Sometimes they are not sure. So 190 will seem like a big number to some of the children. But then you add 10 more. So 10 at 90 becomes a group of 100. Becomes 200. And continue to do that. 290, what is the number? 290. 290 is made of 290 and 0 units. At 10 more becomes 300. And keep on doing that. 400. 290 at 10 more becomes 500 and so on. Okay? And apart from that, children are going to do quite a few pages of the tables where they need to start learning to combine the tens and units. Let's do an example. For example, you see this question number 9. It says 44. So they then need to think, oh, how do I make 44? 44 is made of 40 and 4. Hopefully by now they now know how to do 44. Bring this up a bit. 44, okay, is made of 40 and 4. Then you need to take away 2. So take away 2 from the units, not from the 10. And then add 6 more. 6 is made of 5 and 1, so pinch 5 and 1. So the answer is 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, and 8. So what you want them to do is say, the answer is 40, and how many units? 8. So 40 and 8 is 48. So that's what you want them to do. So the next one we'd like to do is on page 24. So this is a good test on place value understanding. So obviously 30 at what makes 39? This is clear. If you know your place value, you know that 30, 3 tenths is 30. So the missing number, it should be 9. Okay, if you're not clear, what you can ask them is, okay, now I'd like you to put 30 on your soroban. So put 30 on your soroban. Okay, then what else do you need to add to make 39? Then they will say pinch 9. So often children know the shape 39 is 30 and 9, but when you ask them this question, they cannot tell you. Or the alternative is you say, okay, put 39. What is 39 made of? It's made of 30 and 9. Now look at the sheet and fill in the question. So they can use the abacus to help them on this page.